Please support my channel by clicking on this red subscribe button right below the video. Once you get subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click on this bell icon right next to it in order to get notifications about my latest videos. And last but not least, if you like this video, please click on this like button in order to show me your love. Hey guys, Shabazz here from msconfig. Now this is going to be a quick tip video. It's not going to be a tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Windows 10 boot up faster, or else how to make your Windows 10 startup faster. So if you guys are facing issues with a startup process, like if you are turning on your computer and if your Windows 10 is booting up slower, how to get it fixed. This is going to work on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, all of them. So before I start this video, I would like to thank all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel, AdamState908. Thanks a lot to all of you guys. Thanks a lot for showing your love. Thanks a lot for showing your support to AdamState908. I would request you guys to keep supporting me like this. Please subscribe to my channel AdamState908 to make things happen. I was not there on YouTube from last 3 months. There was some issues with my setup. I'm gonna make a separate video where I'll share with you guys whatever happened in this meanwhile. So again, thanks a lot, and without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. Windows runs different services at the background. Whenever you install Windows operating system on your machine, it starts running services at the background. There are a few services which are essential for our operating system to run on our machine, and there are a few services which are not that essential. They're not so necessary for our computer to run. There are a few other services which runs at the startup. Your computer takes time to initiate them at the startup. That's why it takes a little bit longer to bring up the desktop screen for you to use. So in order to search for those services which are running at the background, you first have to go to the search box and click, and now you have to type in msconfig, and I'm going to type this thing in the description. So M as in Mary, S as in Sierra, C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, N as in November, F as in Frank, I as in India, and G as in Golf. So once you type this, you get this system configuration search result. You're gonna have to click on system configuration. It will bring up this box which says system configuration. So there will be different tabs on the top of this page. Don't disturb any settings from here. You're gonna have to come to this third tab which says services. Here in this tab, you're gonna have to check mark this box which says hide all Microsoft services. Now these all are the services which are running at the background. So I'm gonna have to only click on the services which I feel that it's necessary for my computer to run. I'm gonna have to uncheck this TeamViewer 13, which is not that necessary for my computer. NVIDIA display container, this is something which is my graphics services, graphics driver services. So I'm gonna have to keep this box checked. Now these two services can be unchecked because we can directly go to Google Chrome and we can update Google Chrome from the browser itself. So guys, there are tons of services which will be running. So in my case, these are the services which are running because it's a fresh Windows installation. So I just installed Windows on my machine. That's why there are least services running here, but you guys will see lots of services running even after you check this box which says hide all Microsoft services. Now if you don't know things, go to Google, type in the name of the services. It will give you a description of what exactly that services is for and is it necessary for your computer or not. So you're gonna have to do your homework and you have to search which service you have to uncheck. And for the final part, we're gonna have to come to startup, and now here you have to click on this open task manager. Guys, this is only for Windows 10. If you go to startup, it will give you open task manager. You'll get this startup services here in this startup tab. So if you guys have done your homework right, you guys might be knowing which services your computer needs to run at the time your computer is starting up. Windows Defender, this is the services which runs by default in the background. So I'm gonna make a separate video for you guys to let you guys know how to disable this Windows Defender services, because there are lots of users who have asked me how to permanently disable Windows Defender services. It keeps on running in the background. It stops a lot of things. So I'm gonna make a separate video wherein I will give you guys instructions to disable this Windows Defender permanently, as well as I will also show you guys how to re-enable it. I'm gonna right click on Skype and I'm gonna click on disable because I don't need Skype every time whenever my computer starts up. So I'm gonna click on disable. As you guys can see, Skype has been disabled. So when my computer starts up, it will not load Skype. So I don't know what exactly this service is all about. So I'm gonna right click on it and Okay, it's giving me an option to expand. Right, I think this is something which is related to Windows installer. I don't think that this is that much necessary from a computer to run when my computer starts up. So I'm going to click on disable store. I'm going to right click on it and click on disable because I don't need store to start when my computer starts up. Only these two services I'm keeping enabled. Rest of all I have disabled. Now I'm going to click on close, and here you have to click on apply, and then you're gonna have to click on OK. It will give you the option to exit without restart, as well as restart if you want to restart your computer and check the functionality of how it starts up. So this is how you make your Windows 10 startup process faster. This is the only way how to get this thing done. I'm not saying that this is the only way. There might be other ways. There might be lots of YouTubers who have shown you guys the other ways, but this is something which I've been practicing ever since I have started using Windows 7 onwards. So if you guys have any questions to ask, you guys can write down your questions in the comments box down there. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please click on the thumbs up button down there. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down there to become a part of this tech family. Thanks a lot guys for your support. Thanks a lot for watching this again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.